Yo, what is up, my Apple Watch Bro family? The grind never stops here at Apple Watch World. Whenever there's the latest new or latest leak surrounding the Apple world, of course, we will be here to report it. So anyways, Apple Pay Cash. I mean, it's one of those features that is just revolutionary. Apple Pay Cash even says it on its name. Apple Pay Cash is just like cash. And Apple is the only company that has done that. Treat digital money, treat internet money, treat online money like it's actual cash. And with this latest rumor, this is going to change the whole game. Now, how's my experience with Apple Pay Cash? Well, to be honest, whenever I try to set up Apple Pay Cash, it says could not set up Apple Pay Cash. I don't know if it's because I'm in Spain. I have no idea. Let me know in the comments if you guys have been using Apple Pay Cash. But if you guys do, and if you guys are enjoying Apple Pay Cash, if you guys don't know what it is, Apple Pay Cash means that I can send you, for example, or I can send my girlfriend $3 straight from the iMessage app on my Apple Watch, on my iPhone, whatever I want. It's super easy. Or I can say, Siri, send $2 to Danielle. Hey Siri, send $10 to my... You get it.
I can't send or receive payments here. Sorry about that.
So the one and only The Wall Street Journal has reported that Apple is currently collaborating with Goldman Sachs. Now, what are they collaborating on? Well, you guys saw it in the thumbnail and on the title of this video. There would be an Apple Pay credit card, a physical credit card, like a legit credit card to put in your wallet. Now, that's amazing. It's kind of weird too, because Apple said in previous keynotes that they want to destroy the credit card, and yet they're creating a credit card. But anyways, let's not get into that discussion. But yeah, Apple would basically create an Apple Pay Cash card. So basically, if my girlfriend sends me $10, I would have that in that credit card, so I would be able to use it. I would be able to use Apple Pay Cash on my phone, on my wallet, on my Apple Watch, on whatever it is, but we would also have a credit card. Now, I just think that's awesome. Now, let me go ahead and read what the Wall Street Journal have said. The partnership will extend into other services, including Goldman offering in-store loans to Apple customers buying iPhones and other gadgets, an effort the Wall Street Journal reported on in Friday. Apple and Goldman are still hashing out the terms and benefits of the planned card, including the perks of customers, these people said. So we don't really know what is going to happen when you use this card, but we're probably going to have benefits. So if we use this card more often, we're going to get certain discounts. That's what I'm kind of speculating. I'm really excited for this card. It'd be really cool if the more we use the actual card, we could reward points. We could redeem points to iTunes gift cards or App Store gift cards or even the Apple Store gift cards. You know, not a lot, but you know, just a tiny discount would be great. So hey guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, would you guys get this card? By the way, hopefully we will be seeing some sort of announcement, Apple making in WWDC, introducing this card, or at least giving us some more information about this card. So yeah, WWDC, fingers crossed that Apple will tell us something about it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. By the way, tomorrow's video is going to be an exciting video, because tomorrow's video, I'll be sharing my experience with the Samsung Galaxy S9. It hasn't been good. I've been hating this phone. I mean, the actual phone is great, but Android just sucks. Anyways, tomorrow's video, I'll be talking about that. Peace.